today I'm gonna teach you guys how to cook saag meat. This is my grandmother recipe, and so I'm just cooking. I'm all the way from North Carolina to Dallas, Texas. So I'm cooking in Dallas right now in my brother's house. So I'm gonna show you what you need for this. Okay, so first we need start with here. So this is 1 pound of beef and one whole cauliflower and 1 pound of spinach. So it's just baby spinach, and it's 1 pound, or this one box is 1 pound. So and half of this onion, and I just and 4 cloves of garlic, and the ginger is I think maybe 2 inches, and this is 2 bay leaf. If you have, it's good. If you don't have, don't worry about that. And this is the 1 can of tomato, either tomato sauce or just maybe only tomato. The small can of tomato I think is 15 ounces. And so here's the spices. This is turmeric. It's just 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and salt for taste. And this is also one of the main ingredients. It's called fenugreek. Actually it's fenugreek, dry fenugreek leaves. It comes like this in the, and it's called kasuri methi in India, and you will find this in Indian grocery store. If you don't find it, you can look online. If you don't find there, you can ask me, I can provide you. Also here is garam masala, or curry powder you guys call. It's a 2 tablespoons of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, or you can just add first very little and then taste it later, and you can add anytime. You can add it with salt, the same. And so I'm gonna make a paste with this. See, half onion, ginger and garlic. I'm gonna put all together in the blender and add a little bit, and then add a little bit of water here, and then make paste. Okay, and I want to tell you about this recipe. Is very unique recipe. Is from my grandmother. Is like, I don't know how many years she was cooking with that, and this is very like all herb, and you can see it's very healthy. It's no gluten, no grain here, so it's gluten free, dairy free. Now, so first I'm gonna start now cooking. So this is the pan I took it, and I put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So oil I think is hot now. So this is the paste I made. It's ginger, garlic and onion paste. Let this maybe cook for next 5 minutes. Okay, so now I just cooked this for like 6 or 7 minutes. So I'm gonna add some tomato now. So I think half can is enough. I see half can is enough. So I'll just put half can. Should be enough. So half can means 7 ounces, you can say. And just stir it well, and cook it actually is in a low flame. This is the gas stove, so just cook in a slow, then it's better, just cook. So after like 2 or 3 minutes, I'm gonna add all the spices. So now after like 2-3 minutes cooking this tomato, you can see it's ready. I'm gonna add all the spices. So I'm gonna add this garam masala. This is 2 tablespoons, and chili powder for taste, or 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and salt for taste. So this is very and this 2 bay leaves, I'm gonna add it all together and just cook for like next 7 to 8 minutes in a low flame, not too high, you might burn. And one more easy way to cook everything is you can put everything, whatever spice I told you, all cauliflower and spinach and this fenugreek, everything together, a little bit oil, and just let this cook until this done. So that's the other way to cook, is easy way, and this is another way to cook. So let this cook for next maybe like 6 minutes, 6 to 7 minutes. Let's see. Okay, so after like around like 7 minutes I cook, so it looks good. So I'm gonna add all the vegetable and meat. So this is the beef, like it's a beef stew, like 1 pound. I'm gonna add this, and Just stir it a little bit. If you see you think it's a big piece, you can just cut them like small pieces. It will cook more faster. And you can so I'm gonna add some cauliflower, all this cauliflower. And mix this. And okay, after this, I'm gonna add this fenugreek. This is half cup of fenugreek. It's a fenugreek leaves actually. It's not dry fenugreek. It's a dry fenugreek leaves. You can. It's called kasuri methi also. If you have any question, you can write me in below. So and after that, I'm gonna add the spinach. Okay, so I'm trying to put the spinach there, so it's pretty full. So what I'm gonna do, I just add like half cup of water. Just check what's happening there, like 6-7 minutes after, and I think stiller is working on. Because there's so much spinach, it looks so much, but it's gonna go down after. So this is like very good. Like you get like meat, you get a green, you get also like vegetables, so it's like good and good for health. So I'm just gonna try to mix this well. See if I can put this down a little bit, or I can just maybe wait for a few more minutes. Let's wait for a few more minutes. Just cover this up. The steam gonna bring this down. Okay, so after, let's see, it's going down, it's getting better. So already smells pretty good. See, so now you can just mix this well, see how. So I'm gonna see already is like yeah. So this is good. So now we can just leave it like this. Don't add any more water because this is a cauliflower and spinach has so much water, so it's gonna come out from this. So I just cover this and cook this for slow flame, like every 20 minutes or 15 minutes. Just check and mix. Okay, let's check after 20 minutes and let's see what's happening. So yeah, this looks good. So you can just mix well, stir it more, and just cook in a slow fire. It takes time. This is a long process to cook, but its cooking is done. It's so good. So just cover this again and just wait for maybe next 20 more minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, let's check and see what's going on here. Okay, it looks good. Okay, let's check what's happening here. Look like it's ready. Yep, it's ready. Okay, now we're gonna eat this up. Okay, so it looks pretty good. It smells pretty amazing. Okay, then this is final. I'm just gonna add some cilantro on top. So this is the serve with the cilantro. You can eat with naan or rice, and I'm gonna teach you how to make good rice in next video. Okay, see you next week then.